Hi guys, always remember beautiful days don't come to you, you must work towards them. So hi guys, welcome back in this channel. I always just tell to everyone beautiful days, beautiful days, beautiful days. And now guys, as you can see, I'm in the Nirmal and now I am just standing in a boat, and also the lake name is Rudrasagar. This Rudrasagar is 53 kilometers far from the Agartala, which is the capital city of Tripura. And I will only say to everyone one thing, that if you are just thinking that beautiful days only means our success when we will achieve our goals, it is only the beautiful days, then guys you are totally wrong. This moment is also a very special, and it is a beautiful moment for me. Now I am standing here, they are just doing their work, they are preparing themselves, and I am also feeling so good. I think that success is not only the beautiful thing. This moment, our hard work, our patience, our practice is also a beautiful thing for us. So always remember this and go on. People will laugh at you, but just remember, you will laugh at them because you are same. Why people laugh at us? People will always laugh at you, and you will be different from them. Always remember, if you want to be successful in life, just try to do something new. Okay, something new. Like I am making video, many people they learn the English language with what? By reading the grammars, by reading the books. But I am not doing the same. I am making video, I am going here and there, I am traveling, I am making the outdoor side video. It is also something new. I don't know the benefit what is gonna be, but I believe in myself, I believe in my practice. So always remember, they laugh at me because I am different, but I laugh at them because they are all same. And beautiful day. Now this moment is also very beautiful thing for you. This video is also a beautiful video for you. So guys, bye bye. I will meet you in the next video. If you like my two codes, then guys please subscribe, please like, give me a comment. Bye bye. Always remember, listen English, read English, write English, but speak English with Prathip Burman.